In 2025, Rheem will commit to achieving zero waste and zero landfill impact from all of our global manufacturing operations.
When we first started looking into sustainability at Rheem, it was a big challenge, but also really exciting.
That's the big thing is sustainability. One, we can talk sustainability, but really it's communication right through to every member of our team.
Here in Canada, we have been doing our own little stuff, but it's good to see that Rheem as a whole is all on the same, all the divisions are all on the same page, and we're doing this great thing for the environment.
Past 2 years, we started with all the recycling bin and everything. It's amazing. It's amazing. Like, we have blue bins, we have black bins.
Which is gonna have a big impact overall. So if everyone like ourselves was to participate in such changes, then that's just overall coming up with the solution.
I think what really works for Rheem Canada too is, like, as individuals, so not only myself, we heavily believe in a sustainable environment.
Like, you know, when my kids are going to grow up, I'm going to teach them, hey, you know what? This bin is for this. This bin is for this, right?
I think because we're not just trying to do it as a single effort. We have suppliers and customers that are part of our overall solution. So I think it is attainable.
I've always felt this company has been very responsible and very caring towards its employees and towards its customers, and that's why I've been with the company for so long.
So it's very impressive to see that goal is coming there. And I really see that vision, how they're moving.
So I think in 2025, when we're able to look at all of the manufacturing plants and how we've gone zero waste to landfill at all of them, we'll be able to say we've really made a large environmental impact.
It's really exciting and they believe in it. We're getting better every day.
Very, very important. We've got to do it. We've got to do it. Our world is at stake right now, and I think everybody realizes that now.
I think it's very important for us to take part in what we do today, not to leave a huge footprint on future generations.